Imagine this. It's a beautiful spring day 9 years ago, and I'm in my car. Not this car, but a similar model. On the back seat, one child seat and 3 big black bags with a camera, tripods and lights. Outside, beautiful. The trees are getting green. The light is really radiant. It's spring. Inside of me, not so light. Pretty dark, actually. I've just spent all day shooting videos. Great job, of course, but not if you've only said yes because of the money. And then I'm in the car. I have to rush home, pick up my son from the daycare center, and then, of course, there's cooking and stuff to do at home. I feel stressed, really tired and kind of empty. It's actually really strange that I'm not happy, because I was living my dream. I'd finally started as an independent videographer after working for years as a TV director. I also finally had my own family, really small, but I had it. So I just thought I should be grateful instead of moaning and being unhappy. But on that sunny spring day 9 years ago, I had to admit it. This way of working is no fun at all. I always had just enough work as a videographer, and I did not like a lot of the people I worked with, but I had to say yes because of the money. And when people want to hire me to make a video production, the price I offer is always way too low, because I'm afraid they will say no. All this when I know quite well that what I know about making videos and TV programs is really useful for entrepreneurs who want to use video for their marketing. But well, who knows me and my work? On that day, in my car, I make a big decision. I decide to increase my visibility by 10-fold with videos, because then I don't have to pitch anymore. People already know who I am because of my videos. And when more people know me, I get a chance to say no if it suits me better. The more visible you are, the more independent you are. Fortunately, I have lots of knowledge to share. 15 years of TV experience. I have made a lot of videos, and also my knowledge about marketing and social media. And do you know what I did then? I bought a selfie stick and I went outside to record my videos. That gave some room for creativity. I was also embarrassed, but just not too much. So I posted the videos anyway. After the first 5 videos I posted since then, my group training was fully booked. And then after another 10 videos, my email list had grown by 10-fold. And I was booked for 6 months with great trainings and video productions. And that has never stopped since. What a relief! And I had wanted so much to be able to say no, but I just never had to say no anymore, because everyone who wanted to work with me had seen me on video. So they already knew if we clicked or not. They felt like they knew me already. And who I am in my videos is also who I am in real life. Hi. Hey. Mag ik een chocoladebroodje en een koffiebroodje? The reason I'm telling you this is that I want you to know that it's really normal to worry if people are even waiting for you as an entrepreneur. But that does not matter at all. If you start seeing yourself as someone with a wealth of knowledge and experience that you can share with people that you actually help with right away, then everything changes. If you start sharing your experience and your knowledge, then the right people will discover you and find that they were actually waiting for you. Do you recognize that? You've started out for yourself, you're working, but even though it seems like you've everything you wanted, things aren't going great, I can help you make it a lot easier by increasing your visibility by at least 10-fold using videos. So contact me through the link with this video and I'd love to speak to you.